Installation Guide for C168 Series Printer. Lift the print head module. Insert the ribbon spindle into the ribbon roll. Mount the ribbon roll on the ribbon supply. Rotate the left ribbon mount on the ribbon supply to fasten the ribbon spindle. Insert the other ribbon spindle into an empty ribbon core. Mount the empty ribbon core on the ribbon take-up. Rotate the left ribbon mount on the ribbon take-up to fasten the ribbon spindle. Wrap the end of the ribbon around the empty ribbon core. Insert the media spindle into a label roll. Install the media guides on the media spindle with smooth sides facing toward the label roll, and make sure the label roll is positioned at the middle of the media spindle. Lead the label through and past the bottom of the media guide rod. Slide the media guides to fix the label path and make sure the label remains flat. Open the media sensor cover. Move the media sensor to make it aligned with the media instead of media gap. Press the print head module downward and the installation is complete. Connect to the USB cable and the power supply. Switch on the printer. Install the printer driver and label software, and then the printer is ready.